Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use KuCoin to buy crypto, updated. First, create your account and complete KYC, then enable 2FA for security. Next, deposit fiat or crypto, confirm the balance, and choose a trading pair like BTC/USD. Use limit or market orders depending on your goals, set sensible stop levels, and monitor fees closely to avoid surprises while you learn the platform. Deposit options vary by country, so check what methods are enabled for you and avoid surprises. If card or bank transfer is available, choose the option with the best fee and speed. For lower volatility during trades, deposit USD or another stablecoin and trade pairs directly. Always verify minimum amounts and blockchain network fees before sending, and confirm the deposit appears in your KuCoin balance before placing any orders. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides. Quick recommendation: Bento Box try leak-proof containers for easy meal prep. They save time and stop spills in bags, perfect for busy crypto traders grabbing lunch. I've listed the product link and other deals in the description so you can check them out. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. To buy, pick a trading pair like BTC/USD and decide between market versus limit orders based on your priorities. Market orders execute instantly at current prices, while limit orders wait for your target price. Enter the amount you want to spend or the crypto you want to buy, double-check fees and totals, and submit the order. For safety, start with a small test trade to make sure everything behaves as expected on your account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.